Here is how ORGONE transforms energy. Some people might think that ORGONE blocks energy, but it's actually a lot more complex than that. You see, what ORGONE energy does is it takes energy that is harmful and it transforms it into energy that is beneficial. So it cleans it up, kind of like a sewage treatment system can clean up or transform waste. Harmful wireless fields from cell towers, smart meters, smartphones, internet routers, and your television, for example, make the environment around you toxic and harmful to human health and well-being. ORGONE energy placed around your environment cleans up the toxicity and helps to restore a healthy, life-supporting environment. This effect can be measured in various ways, such as preserving blood samples for longer periods of time, preserving fruits and vegetables and foods for longer periods of time, better seed germination results in plants, bigger yields in plants, providing pain relief, aiding in better sleep and relaxation, seeing the energy field in frozen water, and much more. ORGONE energy devices are made mixing a blend of iron oxide, steel, brass, shungite, and crystal powders into an epoxy resin. When the epoxy cures into a solid plastic state, it puts pressure on the surface area of the powders. This causes something known as the piezoelectric effect, which emits a harmonizing field generated by the different specific properties of the ingredients. It is this field that transforms the harmful energy from EMFs into healthy, life-preserving energy.